Yes, prove guys that you are better than your opponent. Yes.
So, my name is Vash and I will prove that I am very good speaker of the month because of them. They are very noobs in front of me. So first my point is that they take a lot of time to think about the topic. Like in the starting of the class, when the class is starting 7 o'clock batch. So you said that Ayush and Yugal that tell about your school. So first they think and then they answer. So first they are not fluent. They take some time to get to the topic, and I will prove that I am a confident and
Yes, I am a good speaker of the month. Except
I'm a good speaker.
then yes, I am a good speaker than the Ayush or Varis. I have one example for explain you.
Only them.
Yeah. Yes, you all know that sir said that to record yourself and send in the groups. And every day I send the videos recording in my English group. But no any single video has a Varish or a Ayush. They only show their attitude in the class, not in recording, not in front of recording or a camera.
so I have to say I am better than everyone in this class because like Varish started and do overthinking like he start speaking in like debate things. In debate we have to in the first round we have to start our points with small things, small points. He always say everything in his that he came with along with his points like he took 10 points. So out of 10 points he would say 9 points in the first round, and then he make the next points in the another round. And Ayush play too much block screws, but I play games but not like the Ayush. Like Ayush play too much games, and also Ayush always talk about the enemy. He always talk about the enemy in class, and also he don't give us too much of points in the last point of debate. So I can prove that I am very good than them.
Everyone.
Than everyone, because I always send 1 hour recording in the group, and as Mohit has said, I always send recording, and then Ayush and Varish don't send recording, and send low recordings. So about me, I share 1 hour recording every day, and about themselves they always don't. I am thinking that they don't have any time for recording. And about the class, about activity, they have a fear to speaking. Like if sir will say that who wants to come, so they thinks that who I want to come, I would not to come, I don't want to come, I want to come. They think in their mind that I don't want to come. So these are the negative things. So I deserve the speaker of the month. I better than the my all opponent team, because in the giving the presentation time they would be giving the laziness, and he will be writing on the board not explain too much, but I will explain too much. And in the recording time I do not see the topics overall, but he also, in my opinion, they also seeing the topics before the record the audio.